Good morning, class. Welcome to our fourth quarter grading period. I'm Ma'am Ruby Ana Lope, your TLE teacher. Are you ready to learn today? If your answer is yes, just sit back and enjoy learning. We are now in our Module 4, Week 4, which is Perform, Mensuration, and Calculations. But before we start our new lesson, let's have first a quick review about the last topic we discussed. And it's all about maintenance of tools and equipment. The term repair and maintenance work means differently. Repair usually focuses on the progress of the work done in the operation, which is in trouble of stopping its functions, while maintenance means a scheduled or planned visit of tools or equipment for inspection, and from there, reports and recommendations are developed. Repair and maintenance can be done using different observation. With the use of our eyes, which is the visual inspection, where the defective and non-defective are easily identified. The following are the common defective tools. Number 1, chisels and wedges with mushroomed head. Number 2, split or cracked handles. Number 3, broken drill bits. Number 4, wrenches with worn out jaws. And number 5, tools which are not complete, such as files without handles. How will you describe the following pictures? In picture 1, yes, the girl is measuring the height of the child. In picture number 2, there are measuring cups used in measuring baking ingredients. And picture number 3 is the doctor is giving a medicine to the child. Simply, they are doing measuring or they are taking measurements. How about these pictures? Do you have those things at home? These are the things you usually see or use inside your house, isn't it? Before it was created, it was being measured accurately and for us to use it properly. How about this set of pictures? Are you familiar with these tools? Do you know how to use these tools? And our topic for today is about the types of measuring tools. Before we start to discuss about the types of measuring tools, let's define first the word measurement. Measurement is the numerical quantification of the attributes of an object or event. Measurement is also the action of measuring something or some amount of stuff. We have the pull-push rule. Pull-push rule is a flexible steel rule which calls into a case when not in use. It is also used for measuring long pieces of stock. Zigzag rule. It is a rule composed of light strip of wood joined by rivets so as to be foldable. All the opening and closing parts being in parallel planes. Caliper. Caliper is an instrument for measuring external or internal dimensions, having two hinge legs resembling a pair of compasses and in-turned or out-turned points. It is also used for measuring diameter. Tri-square. Tri-square is a device for testing the squareness of carpentry work or the like, or for laying out right angles, consisting of a pair of straight edges fixed at right angles to one another. Meter stick. A measuring stick 1 meter long that is marked off in centimeters and usually in millimeters. Divider. Divider is a pair of compasses as used for dividing lines and distances. Compass. Compass is an instrument for drawing circles and arcs and measuring distances between points, consisting of two arms linked by a movable joint, one arm ending in a point and the other usually carrying a pencil or a protractor. Protractor is an instrument for measuring angles, typically in the form of a flat semicircle marked with degrees along the curved edge.
Okay, so now let's proceed to our activity. So kindly get your notebook and write your answers. So I'll be giving you 5 seconds to answer each situation or question. Identify what correct tool is being described or being used in each situation or question. What tool are you going to use if you're going to draw straight lines and short distances? Okay, the correct answer is ruler.
Because of pandemic, we don't go to school and you don't have table in your room, so you made your own table. But the problem is you think it's not aligned. What tool are you going to use to check the squareness of the table? The correct answer is tri-square. What is the name of this tool? The correct answer is caliper. Sir Billy, your teacher in mathematics, gives you a performance task, which is to draw different angles. What correct tool are you going to use? The correct answer is protractor. It is an instrument for drawing circles and arcs and measuring distances between points. What tool is being described? The correct answer is compass.
To sum up the lesson today, what do you think is the importance of taking measurements accurately or measuring tools properly? Taking accurate measurements and craftsmanship is very important because without accurate measurement and craftsmanship, no design will fulfill its intended purpose. When carpenters use the measuring tools properly, then they can work clean and accurately because accuracy is the utmost importance in carpentry. Bad measurements and lousy craftsmanship compromises the quality of the product or your project you're going to make.
I think you already understand our topic, so let's have an assessment to check if you really understand our topic for today. Get your TLE notebook and I will give you 2 minutes to answer the test. Identification. Identify the names of the pictures below. Let's start. Write what is being asked in each sentence. Again, I'll give you 2 minutes to answer the test. Okay, time's up. Everybody get your notebooks and let's check your answers. Reminder, be honest in checking it. Okay, let's have the checking. For letter A, we have the 5 pictures. Number 1, we have the zigzag rule. Number 2, we have the pull-push rule. Number 3, we have the compass. Number 4, we have the tri-square. And number 5, we have the caliper. For number 6, we have the meter stick. Number 7, we have the divider. Number 8, caliper. Number 9, protractor. And last, number 10, we have the tri-square. For our agreement, study the lesson and be ready for your summative number 2 and kindly finalize your performance test number 2. Okay, class, that's all for today. I hope that you learned a lot from today's lesson. See you in our next lesson. Thanks for watching. Keep safe and God bless.